Here's how to set up WooCommerce API settings. Most people overthink this when it's really just 2 clicks and copying some text. In your dashboard, find WooCommerce in the left menu and click Settings at the bottom. You'll see a bunch of tabs up top. Hit Advanced, then look for REST API. Sounds fancy, but it's just the way apps talk to each other. There's an Add key button that starts the whole thing. Click it, and you get this form asking what the key's for. Just write something you'll remember later, like inventory app, or whatever you're connecting. Pick a user from that dropdown. This decides what permissions the connection gets. Then comes the tricky part, choosing read, write, or read-write. Read means the app can see your stuff, but can't change anything. Write lets it make changes, but can't peek at data. Read-write does both, which is usually what you want. Hit Generate API Key, and you'll get 2 long strings of letters and numbers. The consumer key and consumer secret are basically the username and password for this connection. Copy both and stick them somewhere safe, because you'll need them for whatever app you're setting up. That's it.